Happy morning to my dear lovable students. I hope you all are doing well. In this conversation, we are moving to example problem in logarithm concept. So, okay, question: if log x base 2 plus log x base 4 plus log x base 16 is equal to 7 by 2, find the value of x. So, solution: condition log x base 2 plus log x base 4 plus log x base 16 is equal to 7 by 2. If we make it reciprocal means, example, log b base a is a. To convert for reciprocal means a and b interchange. So log a base b. Okay. What will happen? 1 by log true base x plus 1 by log 4 base x plus 1 by log 16 base x is equal to 7 by 2. So first term as it is 1 by log true base x plus 1 by log 4 we can write now true square base x plus 1 by log 2 power 4, isn't it? Base x 16 means we can write now 2 power 4 is equal to 7 by 2. So now 1 by log true base x, the power rule, log x to the power or base a means power we can write in front side, therefore log x base a. Now 1 by the power rule true log true base x plus 1 by 4 log true base x is equal to 7 by 2. So next step, so denominator, look at there, each and every part log x base 2 common, no? X base 2. So take it common outside means 1 by log true base x inside completely outside, therefore 1 plus again 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 7 by 2. Again 1 by log true base x, common denominator 4 means 1 into 4, 4, 4 divided by 2, 1 into 2 plus again 4 divided by 4, 1, 1 into 1, 1, the term will be equal to 7 by 2. Again 1 by log true base x, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 4 is equal to 7 by 2. Again 1 by log true base x is equal to 7 by 2. 7 by 4 bring out opposite side means reciprocal, no? 4 by 7. Again 7, 7 cancel, 2 and 4, 2 times. So we need x value, isn't it? The term, find the value of x. Remaining 1 by log true base x is equal to 2 is there. Already told you. So reciprocal, again the same time reciprocal reverse order means what will happen? Log 2 and x interchange now, x base 2 is equal to 2. Then we have discussed in concept, if you remove the log means exponents of 2. So 2 power 2 is equal to x, therefore 2 power 2 means 4, therefore we can say x is equal to 4. Okay, so I will continue the next question. Example 2.38, solve x to the power log x base 3 is equal to 9. Consider for equation number 1. So take the power of the term, consider for y. Log x base 3 is equal to y. So now if you remove the log means y come to the exponents, that is called 3 power y is equal to x, isn't it? So 3 to the power y is equal to x means the condition is clear. 3 power y. Therefore, we can say now x is equal to 3 to the power y. This is called equation number 2. Okay. Substitute true in equation 1. What will happen? Substitute true in equation number 1. The condition, instead of x we can apply 3 to the power y. 3 to the power y, then again power of x value 3 to the power y. 3 to the power y, base will be 3 is equal to 9. Already we know that log x to the power r means power rule, r come to the front, r into log x. At the same time, log a base a will be equal to 1. Now we can apply this condition. Look at there, 3 power y as it is, then power of the term, already power y is there, y come to the front means y into log 3 base 3 is equal to 9. So now log 3 base 3 we can write the value will be 1. Again 3 to the power y into 1 is equal to 9. Now the balance 3 to the power y into y is equal to 9. Already we know the product into product, the power into power, a to the power m, the whole power n means we can say no, a to the power mn. So y into y, 3y square is equal to 9. So 9 we can write 3 square. So now base will be same means equating the power. So y square is equal to 2. Therefore y is equal to, we can say plus or minus root 2. Now y is equal to plus root 2, one answer, y is equal to minus root 2. This true value put in equation true. We need because x value, no? So x is equal to 3 to the power y. Y is equal to one answer 3 to the power positive root 2. Another one answer 3 to the power minus root 2. This is our answer. Okay, I will continue the next question. 2.39. Compute log 5 base 3, log 27 base 25. One property is there. The property log a base b is equal to log a by log b. Common base we can give. The condition, solution. What is the given question? Log 5 base 3, log 27 base 25. So now what will happen? We can write it according to this property. Log 5 by log 3. Given common base a means into log 27 divided by log 25 base a. Again log 5 base a divided by log 3 base a into 27 we can write now 3 cube base a divided by 25 means 5 square base a. Another one property in power rule, log b power a means the a power come to the front, a log b. Therefore log 5 base a divided by log 3 base a into the power come to the front 3 log 3 base a divided by true log 5 base a. So log 3 base a, log 3 base a cancel, log 5 base a cancel. So after cancellation only we have the balance 3 by 2. This is our answer. Okay, I will continue the next question. So question example 2.40, the condition given that log 2 base 10 is equal to the given condition, given log 2 base 10 is equal to 0.30103. Next condition, log 3 base 10 is equal to 0.4771. Find the number of digit. We have to find the number of digit 2 power 8 into 3 power 12. The condition, the last term, take it for y. Okay, y is equal to 2 power 8 into 3 to the power 12. Taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. So what will happen? Taking log on both sides means log y is equal to log 2 power 8 into 3 to the power 12. Taking common base 10. Okay. Now log y base 10 is equal to, already we know log xy, the multiply means log x plus log y. Therefore, log 2 to the power 8 base 10 plus log 3 to the power 12 base 10. Another one power rule, log b power a is equal to a log b. Again, log y base 10 is equal to, power come to the front, 8 log 2 base 10 plus 12 log 3 base 10. Now, already given value, log 2 and log 3 value is given. Log y base 10 is equal to 8 into log 2 base 10, what is the value? 0.30103 plus 12 into log 3 base 10, what is the value? 0.47712. So multiply means the first condition. So multiply 8 into 3. So 24 means 4, carry true. Again 8 into 0, 0, 0 plus 2, true. 1 8s are 8. Again 8 into 0, 0. Last one 3 8s are 24. After decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 point. Next condition. Next condition 12 into 2, 24. Carry true. Again 12 into 1, 12. 12 plus 2 is equal to 4. Carry 1. Again 12 into 7, 84. 84 plus 1, 85. Carry 8. Again 12 into 7, 84. 84 plus 8 is equal to 92. So 9. Last condition, for 12 4s are 48. 48 plus 9 means 57. Here also after decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.7. Therefore, the term will be, just add it now, 2.40824, then 5.79 544, 448, 2 plus 4 6, 8 plus 5 13, 1, 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1, 8 plus 4 12, 1, 5 plus carry 1, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Therefore, the answer we have log y base 10 is equal to 8.20368, isn't it? So I think, so 368 means the condition thing, just product you can multiply very clearly. I think maybe mistake is there, means actually the main condition, what are the whole number is there, 8 point something will come. Therefore, the main term 8.2036 means we have to find out number of digits. So number of digits. So number of digits log y base 10 is equal to 8.20368 means, if you remove the log means opposite term, bring out exponential. That means 10 to the power 8.20368 is equal to y, means y is equal to 10 to the power 8.20368. 368. Now, the main condition number of digit. Number of digit means, if for example 10 to the power 2 means what the answer will come, 100. So 10 to the power 3 means what the answer will come, what the answer, 1000. So 10 to the power 4 means what the answer will come, 10,000. So each and every power 2 means totally 3 digit is there, power 3 means totally 4 digit is there, power 4 means totally 5 digit is there. At the same time, the condition we have 10 to the power 8 something. So 10 to the power 8 means definitely 9 digit will come. Then 10 to the power 9 means totally 10 digit will come. So what I am saying, the correct digit, because condition also number of digit. When it will be changing from 2 to 3, this is 3 digit means this is 4 digit. So when it's changing for 3 from to 4 means when the power of value will be changing. So 2.99 something also we will get it only 3 digit. When power of 3 means we will get it 4 digit. At the same time, look at the 10 power 3 and 4 also. 3 means 4 digit, 4 means 5 digit. So 3.99 also we will get it up to 4 digit only. So here also we have the answer 10 power 8 point something. Therefore, total number of digits, total number of digits is equal to 9. Okay. I will continue the next question. Exercise 2.12, question number 1. Condition log b greater than 0 and b not equal to 1. So express y is equal to b power x. This is we have to make it in logarithmic form. So two questions is there. The first one we have to make it in logarithmic form. The given condition y is equal to b power x. So taking log base b on both sides. What will happen? Log y base b is equal to log b power x base b. So already we know the power rule. Log b power a is equal to power come to the front. So a log b. Therefore, log y base b is equal to x log b base b. The base will be same, base and term will be same, means we can consider value will be 1. Therefore, log y base b is equal to output x. The first condition, logarithmic form. Second one, also state the domain and range. So, domain and range, the given condition y is equal to b power x. Just I will consider for y is equal to e power x means, so x is equal to value will be 0 means what will happen? Instead of x we have to apply 0. Therefore, y is equal to e power 0. So, anything power 0 value will be 1. So, first condition 0 comma 1 means, so 0 comma 1, x is equal to 0, y is equal to approximately come to here. This is called 0 comma 1. So, the same condition, the graph will be move on, not touching in the x-axis value. At the same time, the term will be move on. In your book, page number 79, it's given. So, difference between the logarithmic form without log form. The graph also is given. Just to look at there. The same condition, if you consider for log means, what will happen? So, e power x is equal to y means, take it for log means just reverse order. Just reverse order means y come to the exponents. That is called y base e is equal to x. So, the same condition, this is condition for y term means, take it for the same one in logarithmic form means opposite. So, 0 comma 1 means definitely next coordinate point 1 comma 0. The mirror image 1 comma 0 means like that. So, it's moving on like that. That is the mirror of the term. Okay, opposite side will come. So, page number 77, just you can look at the condition, how to make it domain and range. Domain, possible x value means, possible x value also, it's only 0 comma infinity, but in except 0, that's why I have taken for the open bracket. Okay, so the term will be move on up to going to down, but not, it's infinity term means not touching in the y axis, the 0 term. So, except 0 and infinity, that is the domain, possible x values, but except 0 and infinity. At the same time, range also in your book, just look at there, the term will be starting with the minus 3. Minus 3 means it will move on the straight forward, it will moving, it's unstoppable, it's going on. That's why we can say the negative value also include and positive value also include. Therefore, the range we can consider minus infinity to positive infinity. So, open bracket, in between negative to positive, it's moving on, unstoppable. This is the answer for domain, it's considered for 0 comma infinity, range minus infinity comma infinity. Okay, I will continue the next problem. Question number 2, compute log 27 base 9 minus log 9 base 27. Already we know one property. Log a base b means, what is the meaning? Log a divided by log b, the common base c. The same condition, solution, log 27 divided by log 9, consider for 3 means base 3 common, minus log 9 by log 27 base 3. Again, log 27 means we can write now 3 cube, isn't it? So, 3 cube base 3 divided by log 9 means 3 square base 3 minus again log 3 square base 3 divided by, so 27 means 3 cube 3. The another one, power rule, log b power a means a log b. So a log b means the power come to the front 3 log 3 base 3 divided by true log 3 base 3 minus true log 3 base 3 divided by 3 log 3 base 3. So now the cancel no everything. So taking means remaining the term 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3, isn't it? 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3. The common denominator 6 means 3 3s are 9 minus 2 2s are 4. Answer we have 5 by 6. Okay. I will continue the next question. Question number 4. So condition, solution. So 4 power actually the question. So just a minute here. Question solve. This is log will come. That's I confused here. So actually the question solve log 2 power 8x base 4. Okay. Log 2 power 8x base 4 is equal to 2 power log 8 base 2. So opposite side 2 power log 8 we can say no 2 power cube base 2 because 2 power 3 means 2 into 2 value will be 8. The power rule log b power a is equal to a log b. At the same time base and common equating the term same means log a base a means value will be 1. So now true power term bring out front means 3 log 2 base 2. Therefore 3 into log 2 base 2 value will be 1. So 2 power 3 means output we have 8. Now log 2 power 8x base 4 is there. So if you remove the log means 8 come to the exponents, isn't it? Therefore how to write 4 power 8 is equal to 2 power 8x. Now the base opposite side 2 is there. We have to change 4 also base 2. What we have to do? 2 power 2, the power of 8 is equal to 2 to the power 8x. Now the power rule formula a to the power m into the whole power n means we can say a to the power m into n. Therefore 2 8s are 16. 2 power 16 is equal to 2 power 8x. So base will be same means equating the power. What will happen? 16 is equal to 8x means so 8x is equal to 16. Therefore x is equal to 16 by 8. Output we have x is equal to 8. This is our answer. Okay. I will continue the next question. Question number 5. One of the important 5 mark question. Okay. The condition a square plus b square is equal to 7ab. Show that log a plus b by 3 is equal to of log a plus log b. The given condition a square plus b square is equal to 7ab. So one algebra formula. So a square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. This term will be equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. How? A plus b the whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. Additional I have written minus 2ab. So plus 2ab minus 2ab cancel means a square plus b square. So instead of a square plus b square we can write it a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So a plus b the whole square minus 2ab is equal to 7ab. Again, so a plus b the whole square is equal to 7ab minus 2ab bring out opposite side means positive 2ab. Therefore a plus b the whole square is equal to 9ab. Now taking log on both sides. So taking log on both sides. What will happen? Log a plus b the whole square is equal to log of 9ab. Another one true property. Already we know, we learn. So log xy means the product rule means log x plus log y. Then power rule log b power a means we can say a log b. Therefore, power rule means true log a plus b is equal to, here three condition is there, 9 is there, a is there and b is there. Therefore, the condition x, y, z means what will happen? Log x plus log y plus log z. So, just add it. This is log z, the three term. Therefore, here log 9 plus log x plus log y. Again, true log a plus b is equal to log 9, we can split, no, 3 square. Again plus, sorry made it, this is a, no, a and b, a and b. So log a plus log b. Next condition. So what is the next condition? So true log a plus b so true log a plus b is equal to, power rule means log b power a means a log b. Therefore, we can write a true log 3. True log 3 plus log a plus log b. Opposite side already we need log a plus log b. Therefore, keep it as it is in left hand, so right hand side. Okay. Remaining 2 log 3 bring out opposite side. So true log a plus b minus true log 3 is equal to log a plus log b. Now again 2 common, now take outside, log of a plus b minus log 3 is equal to log a plus log b. Log b. Then one more property, division, quotient rule, that is what is the meaning? Log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. Look at there. So, log, this is whole term consider for x minus y, means just reverse it, it will be equal to x by y. Therefore, true log of a plus b divided by 3 is equal to log a plus log b. What we have to prove? Log a plus b by 3. Log of a plus b by 3. True bring out opposite side means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into bracket of log a plus log b. This is our proof, no? Okay. So, question number 5 is over. I will continue the next question.